Hey guys, Ben here from the Fibreglass factory. Here we've got a VK Commodore, the customer's car that's just come in, wagon. He's contracted us to fit a front splitter to it, bonnet scoop. We're also going to be doing some side skirts. We don't have wagon side skirts, so it looks like we're going to be customising them to fit. We're at the end of the project. We're about to give this back to the customer. We've got a few little touch-ups to do. With this scoop, we've bolted it down with nut certs we've used on the scoop, and then M6 bolts through the bonnet. We've got the front spoiler here, which we've bolted at the back of the spoiler, and we've also bolted right underneath here with some bolts there, just some M6 bolts also. With the side skirts, they amazingly fitted straight on. These are the Calais side skirts. We were expecting to have to cut them and extend them, but they work, so we're able to change our listing. For other customers, they'll know that the Calais side skirts work. When they go to get fitted, they'll just put a little bit of pressure there so that they can have a nice flush finish. And at the back here, we've got the rear bar, and this was the custom-made bar that we did, so it's actually a Group A bar, but we turned it into fitting a wagon, so we cut the center out here and we modified the sides. I had to modify the exhaust port to suit his exhaust, and had to make a pattern up, a mold, and then make the final part. And it looks really good. All he has to do is get it painted, and then he can get it final fitted. So some of the challenges were just getting the bar to fit on here perfect before we molded off it, and then having it in the same position when we pulled it off the wagon, because it just changed shape after we pulled it off. So we ended up making up a timber template and then screwing it all to the timber template so that we don't get something that's at a different shape and we have to stretch it onto the vehicle every time we make one. So we've got a mold for it now. That'll be something that we'll be advertising that we can do for people. And overall, yeah, really happy. We've sent photos to the customer. He's really happy and is excited to get his VK Commodore back. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.